Today we're breaking down this 2020 McLaren 600LT that came to us here at Cannonball Garage all the way from South Florida for engine damage assessment and repair. The failure started with a broken oil pump shaft, which caused an immediate loss of oil pressure. The owner had been quoted $110,000 just for a stock engine replacement. Instead of going that route, he asked us to disassemble the engine and determine the extent of the damage and then provide a structured plan for a rebuild with increased performance and durability. During teardown, we found significant oil starvation damage. The cam caps and saddles showed heavy scoring, the camshafts were compromised, and the rocker arms had excessive wear. With that level of damage, the correct approach was replacement rather than reconditioning. We sourced replacement cylinder heads, installed new camshafts, and upgraded to DLC-coated rocker arms to improve surface hardness, reduce friction, and increase long-term endurance under higher cylinder pressures. Since the engine was already apart, the owner elected to strengthen the foundation. We installed upgraded connecting rods, head studs, main studs, head gaskets, and piston rings, all from our CSO parts catalog. This improves clamping load consistency, bottom end stability, and overall tolerance to higher boost levels. The result is an engine that is structurally more capable than factory specification. On the induction and fueling side, we fitted Pure 900 turbochargers, ID 1050 injectors, and a DWS fuel system to ensure adequate fuel delivery and control at elevated power levels. Calibration was handled with M Engineering ProTune for both 93 octane and MS-109, allowing the customer to run a conservative street file or a higher output race fuel file. Final numbers came in at 763 wheel horsepower and 711 foot-pounds of torque on 93 octane. On MS-109, the car produced 909 wheel horsepower and 846 foot-pounds of torque. Most importantly, the rebuild and upgrades were completed for less than the quoted cost of a stock engine replacement. The owner is receiving a reinforced engine with greater reliability and substantially increased performance without exceeding what he would have spent to remain stock. This scenario is exactly the kind of scenario where a properly engineered rebuild adds value rather than simply replacing parts. We're looking forward to delivering the car back and seeing it put to use. No matter where you are in North America, if you're looking for anything from a stock engine replacement to a fully built engine for your McLaren, call Cannonball Garage today. Thanks for watching.